Today we're learning Sun Goes Down by Lil Nas X. So grab your keyboard and let's get it. Hi, my name is Sandy Lewanika. I am the owner and founder of the Lewanika School, and today I wanted to teach you 4 simple chords that will have you playing Sun Goes Down by Lil Nas X, one of my favorite artists. So, let's get into our lesson. Before we get into our lesson though, make sure you turn those notifications on, subscribe to our channel, and like this video. It all helps us and it'll help you too. Okay, so now let's get into our lesson. Okay, so Sun Goes Down is a really nice song. It's kind of sad, but it's still a good song. And we are learning this on G. So will be right here in G major. The original key of this song is A major. I took it down because it's a lot easier to play in G. Just in case you try to play along and it sounds different, the original key is different. So first, I want you to place your left hand on G, your left hand 1 on G. Left hand 1 is plays G. 2 is on E, 5 is on B, C, and 4 is on C. Again, we have G, E, B, C. Okay? Your right hand plays G, B, D. Then we go to E, G, B. Then we go to B, D, F sharp. Then we go to C, E, G. So again, that's G, B, D, E, G, B, B, D, F sharp, C, E, G. Okay? That's literally the song. We just have to work on the rhythm now. So, alright, so you have G, G, B, D together, E, E, G, B together, B, B, D, F sharp together, C, C, E, G together. One more time. G, B, D, E, G, B, B, D, F sharp, C, E, G. Okay? So now the rhythm. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you just have to practice this part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But that's the whole song. There you go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you stayed to the end, if you made it all the way through the end, give us a hand raise, the emoji, a thumbs up, and be sure to catch us next time. See ya. Bye.